Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Orei HDA-4KMB HDMI audio embedder. This product was designed to make it really easy for you to replace the audio component from any HDMI media stream. The product features both a 3.5mm analog input and an SP-Diff digital input for connecting to your audio equipment, as well as dual HDMI connections for your media gear and your display. The unit also provides a 3-position switch so you can select audio from the HDMI media stream, the analog input, or the digital input. It also provides HDR pass-through. It fully supports 4K media content and is both HDMI 2.0 as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug-and-play compatible with all of your modern media equipment. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use it. I'll also come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other products you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the unit. It's small, it's compact, it's durable. You'll also find a single 5-volt 1-amp DC power supply. You can simply plug this end into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs directly into the module and provides all the power you'll need for operation. And finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. The product features a full metal enclosure which makes it incredibly durable and really helps to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the sensitive electronics inside. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find these ventilation slots that are really designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape to keep the electronics inside at a comfortable temperature. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find a DC input port. That's used with the included power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there, and that'll provide all the power you'll need for operation. To the right of that is a power LED. When you add power to the module, it starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light that LED, letting you know it's ready to use. To the right of that is a 3-position switch that determines which audio is embedded with the video. To the left, you'll use the standard audio that comes along with the HDMI media stream. If you'd like to inject optical audio, put it in the middle position, and if you have analog audio, that's the right position. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port labeled output. This connects to the display you'd like to use for the content. Once you make that connection, that cable is checked. Once it's been verified, the link indicator will come on, indicating a solid connection. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, is another full-sized HDMI port labeled input. This connects to the media device you'd like to display the content from. To the right of that are 2 more input ports, a 3.5mm analog and a digital SP-Diff. These are used for connecting to your audio equipment that you'd like to inject the audio from, along with that HDMI media stream. And that's pretty much it for the module. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei HDA-4KMB HDMI audio embedder with other products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with resolution. This product fully supports 4K ultra-high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second, which means you're going to have a crystal clear picture on your output display from whatever media device you connect. The product is also both HDMI 2.0 as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's essentially plug-and-play compatible with a wide range of modern media equipment. It provides dual input for the audio, a 3.5mm analog connection, and an SP-Diff digital connection, which makes connecting to your audio equipment incredibly easy. It also has a 3-position switch, so you can easily decide if you'd like to use the audio that was originally in the HDMI media stream, or switch to the analog input, or switch to the digital input. The product is small and compact and incredibly easy to use. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So thanks for watching, and until next time, stay nerdy.